You didn't start your Etsy shop to create another job for yourself. You started it to give yourself more freedom, more income, more flexibility, more control. But somehow along the way, it turned into a full-time hustle with part-time results. The truth is, Etsy is a great starting point. But if you want to build a business that supports your dream life, you have to build beyond the platform. I've sold over $300,000 on Etsy, and I'm grateful for everything that I've learned through that journey. But it wasn't until I stepped outside of that Etsy box and I started treating my business like a real business that I started seeing that real freedom that I was after. No more chasing algorithms, no more waiting for sales to pick up, just a system that works because I built it that way. Let me give you a simple mind shift change that changed everything for me. You are not an Etsy seller. You are a business owner that sells on Etsy. And when you start thinking that way, you start making different decisions. You stop relying on Etsy and you start building a business that belongs to you. That's the entire reason I built the HWS Success Society. I wanted to help people like you build businesses that don't burn them out. We focus on automation, digital products, and long-term strategy, not just chasing trends or posting new listings every week. And I want to walk you through what that could look like. Most Etsy sellers stop at the storefront. They never think about what comes next. But your Etsy experience is just the foundation. What would your business look like if you built an email list, created your own offers, had your own website, ran your business on your terms? You don't need to build an empire overnight. Start with one product, one system, one sales flow. Digital products, memberships, coaching, courses. There's something out there that fits your lifestyle and your strengths. Pick one that helps you grow, but doesn't burn you out. Once you have a product and a strategy, you can set up systems that'll bring in income daily, even when you're not actively working, when you're spending time with your family, or giving yourself some self-care. That's what makes it sustainable. That's what gives you your time back. And that's what I teach inside the Success Society. So if you're tired of chasing sales, tired of trying to outsmart the Etsy algorithm, or tired of doing all of the things that make you a little bit of money, then you're ready. You're ready to build something bigger, smarter, something more sustainable. Start by downloading my digital product blueprint. It'll walk you through an exercise that'll help you figure out what your first digital product should be. And then it'll tell you the next steps on how you can get that product created in a weekend. And if you're serious about building a business that doesn't stress you out, then the HWS Success Society is where you belong. You can find the links to both in the description. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And if you missed the first two videos in this series, I'll leave them linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, which is always right here. I'll meet you over there.